Hello guys, today I will show you one important thing which is related with our Assamese culture. It is called Horai. Horai is a manufactured bale metal product. Is one of the traditional symbols of Assam, which is considered as an article of great respect by the people of Assam. In very simplistic terms, the horai is an offering tray with a stand which may or may not have a cover. Haju and Hortabari are the most important centers of traditional bell metal and brass craft in Assam. We can use this horai in a different ways. It can used as a gift to a person of honor during felicitation. Also, as a decorative symbols in traditional functions such as during Bihu dances. You can use as an offering tray for Tamul Pan to guests as a sign of welcome and thanks. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel.